So today I'm going to be reviewing a tool called Traffik AI. I'm going to break down exactly what it is, what it does, and whether it's actually auto your money or not. Also stick around till the end because I have a coupon code for you that saves you some money, and I also have a ton of exclusive bonuses that you will only get if you buy through my link. So definitely don't skip ahead. Alright, let's get into it. So let me start by explaining what this tool actually is because the name alone doesn't really tell you much. Traffik AI is basically a software that runs completely online, meaning you don't need to download anything on your computer. You just open your browser, log in, and you are good to go. That's it. Now, what does it actually do? In simple words, it runs your Instagram for you. Think about everything you normally have to do manually on Instagram, like writing captions, making videos, designing graphics, figuring out which hashtags to use, deciding when to post. Trafficgram AI does all of that automatically. You don't have to touch any of it. And the way it does all this is by using 100 different AI engines working together at the same time. So it's not just one AI doing everything, it's like having a whole team of AI tools, each one handling a different job, all running inside one single dashboard. Now, let me walk you through what's actually happening inside this tool because this is the part that I found really interesting. So, inside Trafficgram AI, there are multiple AI engines and each one has its own specific job to do. Let me break them down in a simple way so you can actually understand what you are getting. First, there is GPT-4o, and this is the AI that writes your captions for you. So, whenever a post goes out on your Instagram, the caption is already written. Not just random words either, it writes captions with strong hooks that are designed to stop people from scrolling and actually make them want to read. Then there is Gemini Pro. This one handles all the visual stuff. So your post images, your carousel slides, your story graphics, Gemini Pro creates all of that automatically. You don't need Canva, you don't need a designer, nothing like that. Now, for your reels, the videos, that's handled by VEO 3.1. This AI actually produces your reels from scratch. It handles the cards, the captions on screen, the formatting, everything. Then there is Llama 4, and this one is really smart. It studies your audience data and figures out the exact best time to post for your specific followers, not just a general post at 9 a.m. advice. It actually looks at when your audience is most active and schedules everything automatically around that. For the music in your reels, there is Lyra, which generates custom background audio that matches the mood and vibe of your content. So you are not just slapping a random trending sound on everything. And then there is Deep Think. This one does all the research for you. It goes out and finds what's trending in your niche right now. So your content is always relevant and timely without you having to spend hours doing research yourself. And on top of all that, there is also a hashtag engine built in that picks the right hashtag for every single post automatically. So you are never just guessing or copying the same hashtags over and over again. Basically, every single part of running an Instagram page has an AI assigned to it. That's the idea behind 100 AI engines they keep talking about. Alright, so now let's talk about the actual features inside Trafficgram AI because there is quite a bit packed in here and I want to make sure you understand what each thing does in plain simple words. The first one is the smart scheduling and rescheduling feature. So basically this does two things. First, it posts your content at the best possible time for your audience automatically. You don't have to think about it. But the second part is what I think is really clever. It also looks at your old post, finds the ones that performed really well and automatically repost them again to get more views. So content you made weeks ago can still bring in new followers today without you doing anything extra. Next is the cloud video and image editor. So this is basically a full editing tool that runs right inside your browser. You can edit your videos, cut clips, add captions, design graphics, make thumbnails, all of that without needing to download Canva or CapCut or any other separate app. Everything is in one place. Then there is the viral trend spy feature. This one keeps an eye on what's trending in your specific niche in real time. So before a trend blows up and everyone starts jumping on it, Trafficgram AI already knows about it and can help you create content around it early. That means you are ahead of the curve instead of always being late to the trend. After that, there is the account builder from zero. So, if you are someone who is literally starting from scratch, like zero followers, no content, nothing, this feature builds your entire Instagram presence for you from the ground up. It sets up your profile, creates your first batch of posts in the right order, and starts growing your followers systematically from day one. Then there is the bio link funnel builder. Your Instagram bio only gives you one link, and most people just throw a random link there and forget about it. But this feature turns that one link into a proper little sales page where you can show multiple offers, collect clicks, and automatically make sales directly from your bio. It's a small thing, but it can make a big difference. There is also multi account management, and this one is really useful if you are thinking about using this as a business. You can manage multiple Instagram accounts all from the same dashboard. So, your personal page, your business page, and even your client's pages all in one place, all growing at the same time. And the last big feature is the commercial agency license that comes included for free. This basically means you are allowed to use Traffikgram AI to manage Instagram for other people and charge them for it. So you could go out and find small businesses or local shops that need help with their Instagram, run everything through this tool and charge them. Now, on top of everything I just talked about, they're also throwing in a bunch of bonuses when you get access to it. So let me quickly run through what you are getting. So the first bonus is the agency launch blueprint. This is basically a step-by-step guide that shows you know how to land your very first client within 7 days. So if you want to use this tool to start a little agency business on the side, this bonus shows you exactly how to get started fast. The second bonus is 100 viral reel templates. These are ready-made reel formats that have already been proven to get views and engagement. So instead of figuring out what kind of reels to make, you just pick a template and go. The third bonus is an Instagram sales funnel masterclass. This one teaches you how to actually convert the followers you are growing into real paying customers. Because getting followers is one thing and making from them is a whole different skill. The fourth bonus is a 30-day niche domination calendar. Think of this as a content plan that's already done for you. It covers 10 different niches and tells you exactly what kind of content to put out each day for a full month. And the last bonus is a 3,500 follower fast track training. This one documents the exact settings and steps that were used to get 3,500 followers in just 4 days. So you can follow the same process on your own account. Okay, so let's talk about the price, because honestly this is where it gets interesting. So right now during the launch period, you can get full access to Traffikgram AI for just a one-time payment of $14. That's it. And just in case you are still on the fence, they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you get inside, try it out, and for whatever reason you feel like it's not working for you, you just contact their support and you get every single penny back. No questions asked. So there is really no risk on your end at all. Oh, and one more thing, there is actually a discount coupon you can use at checkout. The coupon code is Traffikgram VIP, and it saves you an extra $3 on top of the already low price. I will make sure to put that in the description below so you don't have to memorize it right now. Alright, so let me give you my honest final thoughts on Traffikgram AI. Look, for what you are getting, the price of $14 one time is honestly hard to argue with. And with the 30-day money back guarantee sitting there, you are really not risking anything. You either see results or you get your money back. It's that simple. So personally, I would give this a solid 8 out of 10. Great value for the price, really impressive feature set, and low enough barrier that anyone can try it without feeling nervous about it. Now, here is something I want to mention before you go. And this is actually a big deal. If you decide to get Traffikgram AI through my link down in the description, I'm going to give you 21 exclusive bonuses completely for free on top of everything that already comes with the software. We're talking about tools and training that cover email marketing, social media growth, video ads, paid traffic, DM search scripts, website builders, QR code generators, online payment tools, and a whole lot more. These are real tools that can actually help you get better results faster. All the details about all 21 exclusive bonuses are listed on my Medium page. I will drop that link in the description as well, so you can go check everything out before you decide. So the link to get Traffik Grant AI is right there in the description below. And don't forget to use the coupon code Traffik Grant VIP at checkout to save a little extra money on top of the already low price. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps more people find this review. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and I will do my best to answer. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more honest reviews just like this one. I will see you in the next one.